Welcome to our tech knowledge sharing channel. Today, we are diving into a crucial material in electronics manufacturing, the Epoxy Fiberglass Substrate, commonly known as FR4. First, let's get to know the renowned brands of FR4. Several major brands are highly esteemed for their superior performance, including SYTECH, Kingboard, Goldenmax, Hitachi, Nanya. These brands produce FR4 substrates with dielectric constants typical ranging from 4.2 to 4.6. Next, let's explore the grading of FR4 based on quality and performance. FR4 substrates are categorized into various grades, primarily including grade A and grade B materials, further subdivided into A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3. Among these, A3 and B1 are the most commonly used grades. Did you know FR4 substrates come in white and yellow colors, and typically the whiter the color, the better the quality. Hence, white core material is considered superior to yellow core material. Now, let's look at the thickness distinction of FR4 substrates. The thickness of FR4 substrates varies widely, commonly ranging from 0.2 mm to 3.2 mm. Depending on the number of layers, the minimum thickness varies. Double-sided boards can be as thin as 0.2 mm and as thick as 3.2 mm. 4-layer boards can be as thin as 0.4 mm. 6-layer boards can be as thin as 0.6 mm. Due to its excellent mechanical and electrical properties, FR4 substrate is widely used in electronics manufacturing, making it an essential material for high-performance circuit boards. If you have more questions or specific needs regarding FR4 substrates, feel free to leave a comment below and engage with us. Thanks for watching this episode. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our exciting content. See you next time!